All of you please take chairs.
Good morning, everyone. My today's presentation is on a day without internet. So let me ask you a question. How you will start your day as soon as you wake up? What the next thing you do when you just wake up from your
Insta.
We'll just try to grab our food. Sometimes we'll not even open our eyes. We'll just close our eyes and try to grab our phone. And as soon as we got our phone, we'll try to open WhatsApp to check if we get any messages. But as it is a day without internet, we don't see any messages, and we thought it's just like any other normal day, and we will try to check what Instagram and Facebook for news. This generation usually get all the news from the newsfeed from Instagram and Twitter. So we will try using that. The impact starts at this point of time, where as soon as we wake up, the impact of not having internet starts at this point of time. Next, some of us might be involving in trading activities. So they might try to open your trading accounts to make some money at least on that day, but they did not find any. They couldn't operate those apps because there is no internet. Next, you might be going into kitchen just to prepare something. Most of us, what we do, we use YouTube for cooking videos, and as there is no internet, we cannot use YouTube, and we have to be prepared. We have to prepare those things with our own innovation and skills, or with the previous dishes we already made. Then suddenly a thought comes into our mind: Zomato or Swiggy, that is online services. But due to no internet, those services will also not work, and we have to do it on our own. So we'll try to make the dish somehow, and it comes out delicious. And what we think we can post, when something comes out in a good way, we'll try to post it in some groups or Instagram, Telegram, whatever. And that affects our communication and sharing, because there is no internet, we cannot share and communicate. Next, due to this hectic day, we call up few friends and we'll try to plan outing. Like we'll try to go out somewhere because we are so bored without internet. And we finally decided a place and we started going there. And what happens after, when we are in the mid of the way, we forget the place, and we'll try to open Google Maps, and that is also not working because there's no internet. And some of us might be going to offices. As there is no internet, everyone might be sitting idle, and principal walks in, and he tries to connect with the service providers to know the status when we will get back the internet. But he comes to know that there won't be an internet in 2 to 4 hours. So he rushes into his cabin, and he thinks for a while, and he'll get all the old files and gives us useless, meaningless works, and he'll give us to complete those things with till the internet comes. So at that time, productivity decreases. As soon as we complete, we are done with the articleship work, and when we try to go home, we'll try to book a cab, but we can't book it because there is no internet, and we have to walk to some 2 or 3 kilometers to reach an auto or a vehicle. And with so much of struggle and strain, we reached our home. But we wanted to make the transaction with our wallets like PhonePe, Google Pay like that. We can't pay because there is no internet. So banking bills and shopping will affect. Then after we get into our homes, we'll have some food and we'll try to study for our finals. But online classes we can't play because there's no internet and information, knowledge and learning will get affected during that period. So with lot of stress and depression, we'll just go and sleep. We'll be quiet and we'll just throw away our mobiles, and one person in the home will be happy because we are not using mobiles. Mother. Yeah. So she'll have some peace of mind at least for that day. So I would like to conclude with the quote: a day without internet is like a year without training, which is a curse. That's it.